Hey y'all, we're out in the garage again. We're working on this radiator. I posted some stuff on EKN about finding a product that is designed just for the problem we got here. I went and talked to Brother Rich and picked up his little miniature sandblaster, right? Turned the air pressure way down, went ahead and blasted down in here. I don't know if this is going to work or not. I'll get to... But you can actually see the damage down in there after removing the grunkus and stuff. Literally, before we blasted, you could see that the end of this tube was not radiused like the rest of the tubes. It had a little dent in it, so something got in there, you know. But lo and behold, I'll put on in the description of the video. Where's the stuff? Here it is. The product and where it comes from. It's an 1/8 inch round, lack of a better word, it's almost like a hot glue stick, but it's a wad, it's a round, you know, it's quite a bit. What you're supposed to do is sandblast or spot blast where the leak is, right? Sorry, down here. And then you warm it up with a propane torch, not too much, but you get in there and heat it up. I could probably use this, might take a little longer with this. But you warm it up in there, get it hot, and then you use the product here just like solder. And you'll go ahead and take, you know, the end of it there, and you'll just stick it down in there. You know, you'll feed it right in there, and it'll melt, and then you hit it with the torch and it flattens out. And then you stop and let it cool off. And they say throw 15 to 20 pounds at it, and you should be good to go. So, I went ahead and put the thread tape on everything here and put all the fittings back in, taped it all back up, getting ready. That little blasting really only took just, I mean, you can see here, let me turn this thing on. Is that on? Here we go. You can see how it cleaned it up a little bit. It's pretty fine sand, but I turned the pressure way down. I was afraid of blowing a hole in that tube, you know, so there we go. At this point, I'll shut her down and we'll go ahead and heat this thing up. And dude, I'm a little nervous because I've never done it before, but the kid says, you know, it's a piece of cake. The guy that sent this to us, his name is Jason. He's at Dillon Radiator in Minnesota, Rochester, Minnesota, and he's just down the road from Northern Radiator, which is the company that sells the product. They just don't sell to the public. So, like I said, I'll list all this stuff in the description below. This here should last, that amount of stuff should last me a lifetime, right? So anybody needs some work done at the racetrack, short of bringing a sandblaster with you, you need some radiator work, this is the stuff. I'll leave it in the trailer. So until we get this thing fixed up and put some pressure in it, wish me luck. Godspeed.